B2B content marketing has become a jungle out there right now. And many B2B audience, especially the decision makers, often feel that they are searching for a diamond in a mountain of gold when they're looking for a meaningful content. And many of them believe that most of the industry insights overwhelm them rather than inform them. Why? Let me tell you the hard truth. The B2B industry isn't just grappling with content saturation, it is dealing with a full blown content pollution crisis. Let me explain it. First, content overload. B2B brands often think that they need huge content. Content is important, I'm not denying on that fact. But in the rush of to be getting heard, to be getting published, to be getting noticed by the audience, B2B brands, most of the B2B brands often prioritize quantity over quality. And that is resulting in flooding the space with repetitive, shallow content. The next is algorithmic noise. Social media amplify frequent posting even when the content lacks substance. And I think you would also like to agree with me. And as a result, the valuable insights often get drowned by the mediocrity. Another point is disconnected messaging. Chasing trends. B2B marketers often focus on chasing trends, keyword trends, trending topics, and that practice led them to miss the mark. And they often create content that doesn't resonate with the audience's real need. Another point is time-starved audience. Your audience, that means B2B decision makers, always juggle countless priorities. And that is the reason they tend to dismiss the content that fail to deliver immediate and actionable insight and values. This chaotic landscape often frustrates everyone, including the decision makers. Instead of finding a clear solution, B2B buyers are stuck navigating a maze of irrelevant content. But it is not just the buyers who are suffering. As a marketer, we are also losing credibility. Our brands risk blending into the noise rather than standing out. But how do we fix this? How can we reclaim the trust? How can we get back the attention of our audience? I will explain it in the next slide. Every piece of content should serve a purpose. It should solve a problem, it should answer a question, and it should inspire a buyer to take an action. Surface level content is not enough for your B2B decision makers anymore. Let's bring research driven insight to the forefront and give them something that is worth their time. And remember that marketing is not a monologue. You should use a content that starts conversation with your audience and build a long-term relationship with them. So that's it from me. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree? I would love to hear your perspective. Do drop your ideas in the comment box and I will definitely get back to you. And in the next video, we'll learn about what B2B customers want emotionally and rationally. So let me sign off now. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.